Chapter 1. Genealogical Structure, the Kinship System. A. Kinship. Sobu Hasibuan Group. This group, which sprang from Toga Sobu CP15, has as its oldest branch the Marga Sitompul, which occupies a small territory of the same name in the Silindung Valley. From their branches went to West Pahai, occupying a more extensive area. Of the numerous groups that form the main part of the Sobu tribal group, a younger branch has remained small and is to be found in Sigaul Uluwan 3, when it has continued to live together in the small Hasibuan territory. The oldest division, however, Guru Mangaloksa, has brought into being the four large marga, which collectively bear the name Siopat Pusora, namely Huta Barat, Panggabean, from which has sprung Simurangkir, Huta Galung, and Huta Toruan, from which has come Huta Pea and Lumban Tobing. This division occupied the rest of Silindung after driving out the Marga Pasaribu. Each of the four marga occupies its own corner. Branch of Samdem, principally of Huta Galung and Huta Barat, have dispersed to Pahai and Huglang, and all four have occupied their own territories. In the coastal region of North Sibolga, a very important dispersal took place to Padang Lawas Igbi, where the river basin of the Parumon and Zosa rivers, the last extends outside the boundaries of Tapanuli, has almost completely been taken over by branches of the Marga Huta Galung, which are there called Harayan and Gotung. A small group called Hadakopo inhabits the Huristak territory. Its members say they are of Huta Barat origin, but the rest of the Hasibu record them to be Botong. Two groups of the Marga Dasopang established in the Pangikiran territory in Padang Bolak and Silangge in Dolok must also be of Hutagalung origin and must have reached their dwelling place along their own route.